in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The hair in today's video was sent to me by a company called MyShinyWigs. Now, let's talk about this packaging. This packaging that this wig comes in is absolutely beautiful. It's different, it's unique, I just love it. Now, along with the wig, you will also get 2 different wig caps, which are 2 different colors. You will also get a makeup brush, a edge brush, a comb, and a tweezer. My first impressions on the extras that they threw in this packaging just makes me think that they absolutely know their customers. The wig came packaged separately in this beautiful satin bag, and you can reuse this satin bag to store your wigs when you're done wearing them, so that's what I love about that satin bag. But let's just get into the specs of this wig. This wig is called their U-Part Wig Royal Wave, and I have it in the length 20 inches. Now, this wig is 150% density. It does have 4 combs on the inside of this wig and an adjustable strap in the back if you need it as well. This wig is 100% virgin human hair. It is in the hair color T1B4, which gives you this nice highlighted ombre effect. And I just love the curls on this wig. And this is exactly how the wig came. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin prepping my hair to apply this wig. And as you guys can see, my hair is not in its natural state. I did go and get a silk press and a trim on my hair, so that's why my hair is already straight. But for this wig, I do recommend that you have somewhat straight hair. To install this wig, you do not have to flat iron your entire head. All you have to do is flat iron the area of your head that you do want to leave out. Now, once I've defined exactly where I want my leave out to be, I'm going to go ahead and put the back section of my hair in a low bun, and that's exactly how I'm going to wear it underneath this wig. The method that I'm showing you guys today is a quick and easy way to install this wig. Of course, you guys can go ahead and braid down the remainder of your hair just to have a more stable base underneath the wig. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this band that came on the front section of the U-Part wig. You do not need it. You want to make sure that you cut it away. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up all the clips on the wig so that I can be able to install them correctly. What I am also going to do is set the adjustable straps to the position that I want them to be in so that this wig will fit nice and snug on my head. Now, all I'm going to do is start snapping the clips around the parting area that I created in the top section of my head. So I like to snap the 2 front clips first, then I like to position the back, and then I snap in that last clip in the middle section of my hair at the top. Now, you want to make sure that you're positioning your clips as close to your parting area as possible so that you have the most coverage once you let your natural hair down. Now that the wig is nice and positioned exactly where I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and define my middle part, and I'm going to comb my hair into the U-Part wig just to see exactly how it is blending. Now, as you guys can see, I was able to get my parting area as straight as can be, and one thing I can say about this wig is that my hair is absolutely blending very well into this wig. Now, what I'm going to do to blend my hair even further is I'm going to go ahead and take my 1-inch curling iron, and all I'm going to do is curl the ends of my hair so that it can match even more with the curls on this wig. The curling iron that I am using in this video is the Conair Infinity Pro 1-inch curling iron, and I did purchase this curling iron on Amazon a while ago, so I will go ahead and look up the link to this curling iron and link it in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out as well. Now you guys know I am absolutely going to rave about this product every single time I use it, and this product is the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and this one is the one specifically for thick and coarse hair, and I swear by this product because it always has my edges laying right. Now I am going to go in with this product and use it to swoop my edges and make the front section of my hair look nice and neat. And of course, I told you guys about this edge brush in one of my previous videos as well, and I did walk into Sally's one day. I just so happened to be browsing through Sally's, and I did see that Sally's also had this brush as well. So if you guys do want this edge brush is sold at Sally's. Now once I'm done getting my edges right, I am going to go in with a wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to comb through my curls and the curls on the U-part wig just to play around with them and get them to sit exactly how I want them to sit. Now this wig is already pretty much styled for you, so you really don't have to do much with this wig. So once you get your parting area right, once you lay your edges, this wig is pretty much done. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my slow-mo for you guys so that you guys can go ahead and get into this color, into the texture, and into the movement of this wig. In this video, I was able to show you guys an extremely easy way to install your U-part wig from MyShinyWigs. This wig is an absolutely beautiful wig. The construction of this wig is phenomenal. The waves on this wig is beautiful, and I love how big and voluptuous these waves are, and the color of this wig is absolutely phenomenal as well. So I will go ahead and leave the link to this hair in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!